Hey everybody, Levi here, and in this video, I'm going to explain how you can optimize your Google My Business profile for your local HVAC business and ultimately get more leads as a result of your Google My Business profile. These are all going to be easy tips that you can do yourself that will cost you no money. So honestly, all just no-brainer things to do. So definitely stick around and follow along if you're interested in learning how to do this. So, if you're not familiar, Google My Business or GMB is a free tool or profile that will help any local service business, including HVAC and plumbing companies, improve their online visibility and attract local leads, especially in local searches where you're going to have those businesses listed up here in the Google Maps section. So, if you ever Googled something and you see kind of that map view with the listed companies, that's Google My Business profiles, and that's where you can be if you take these steps. Google My Business is really important because when your prospective customers are searching for services, businesses on or with GMB profiles are far more likely to show up in local search results, which in your case will increase the chances of receiving calls and generating leads. For example, a plumber in Detroit listed with a GMB profile could appear in the map pack when someone searches for plumber in Detroit, or if that computer is located in Detroit, when they type plumbers near me, again, you'd have a chance to be seen. If you don't have a GMB profile, there's no chance anyone will ever see you there. Google My Business profiles are especially important in your overall local SEO strategy. And the reason it's so important is because, or rather so useful, is because the map pack section in Google search results get about a third of the total clicks. Paid ads only get about 10%. A lot of people might skip over those. And then organic results get the remainder at 60%. But that 30% is something you'd be missing out on if you don't have a GMB profile, and it's something you can do for free to capture those people. Optimizing your GMB profile to appear in the map pack can significantly increase your visibility and drive more traffic. So anyways, now that you know what a GMB profile is, how it works, and why it's important, here are the steps you can take to optimize your GMB profile. And I have a sample one here of one in my area that's done a good job that we'll look at after. So you can kind of put everything together. The first thing to do, if you haven't already, is to create or claim your GMB profile. You can go onto businesses.google.com or google.com/business to claim and create your listing and start optimizing your presence. So first thing to do, log into GMB and create a profile. Step 2 is ensuring accurate information. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, hours, and services are all correct and up to date. If you have your address wrong, your phone number wrong, and users report them as incorrect, Google's not going to like that. They're going to penalize it, and it's going to do you a disservice. Keep it up to date. Google's going to like it, and your customers are going to like it too. Third, write a meaningful description. Describe your services naturally. Avoid keyword stuffing. For example, we specialize in reliable plumbing services in Detroit, including drain cleaning and emergency repairs. It's super short, it's distinct, it's descriptive, and accurately describes the services you provide in a normal, easy to read way. There's no technical jargon, and it's not a weird, SEO way of saying things. Another thing you can do is upload high quality photos. Add pictures of your team, your work, and your office and your shop. You can geotag and keyword tag photos to further optimize your listing if you want as well, but just making sure you get good photos on there is going to go a long way with Google and your customers in building trust and authority. The last thing to do is collect and respond to reviews. This is so important, and it's the biggest thing you can do on an ongoing basis to ultimately generate more business. Positive reviews build trust and improve rankings. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave feedback and engage with all reviews, even the negative ones. I have a separate video on how you can create and share a GMB link. But you can copy that link into the Notes app on your iPhone and send it to all of your customers after you're done jobs, put it on invoices, however, but make sure you're getting reviews. A couple more advanced tips for GMB optimization I wanted to leave you guys with before we end. Backlinks. Getting reputable websites to link to your GMB profile are going to help boost your rankings. Also, you can embed your Google Maps location on your website. Adding it into your website can further enhance your local SEO. So that's something you can do or ask your web developer to do for you. In short, optimizing your GMB page is a free and effective way to boost your local visibility. By claiming your profile, keeping your information accurate, adding photos, and requesting reviews, you can increase your chances of appearing in the map hack and generating more leads. Before we wrap up, let's quickly look at this example. You can see this in HVAC business in my town here. Name properly formatted. You can see here loads of images, teams, jobs, all that stuff. Lots of reviews. They've been in business for years. Hours, phone number, website, services, all fully listed out. We got their address, location area, a big description, and then as well some web results. And they've even been updating and every month or so putting in some information. These are things you guys can do and honestly have them all done in about an hour. So I'd highly recommend you get going on it. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Really quick one. If you found it interesting, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and please share it with your friends as well, as it really helps the channel grow. Otherwise, hope everyone has a good rest of your day.